Ever wondered how those fun, interactive quizzes are made? Well, today's your lucky day. Whether it's for social media, the classroom, marketing campaigns, or just for fun, quizzes are a hit, and I'm going to show you how to make animated, interactive quizzes in Canva. Let's get started. Why do you want to make a quiz? Quizzes are versatile tools that engage audiences, test knowledge, they spark curiosity, and they keep audiences entertained. Imagine you're a teacher trying to make your lessons more interactive, or a small business owner running a giveaway. You could make a quiz that grabs attention and covers the topic you are sharing too. And Canva makes it super simple. Today, I'll guide you through the overall process. But before we get started, what's your favorite type of quiz? Drop it in the comments below. Now I'm in Canva. The first thing I will do is search for the kind of project that I want. I could check under presentations, videos, possibly TikTok, Instagram Reels, or even YouTube Shorts. You have many options. But in this tutorial, I'm going to use video. To make quizzes, the presentation or video format seems to work best. You could start from scratch, but if you're a beginner, I would definitely suggest that you use a template instead. So, come over here to the side and type in quiz. Now, you see, there's all kinds of quizzes pre-made in here that you can work with. Even better, go back to the beginning menu. Search for quiz here, and you'll see many more templates to choose from. There's all kinds of quizzes in here in all different colors, shapes, and sizes. Some are free. If you see any that have this little crown, you have to have a paid plan to use these. So just keep that in mind, but choose the one that suits you best. I'll show you a tip. On some of these, if you click on them and we go to customize it, it only has one page. If you choose those, you're going to have to do more work because they're not complete. Your best bet is to choose something that has multiple pages, because those usually include the answer page animations too. So, by using a template, you're going to have a lot of the work done for you. This will save you a whole lot of time and effort, plus, many already have the custom animations included. Add in your own customizations, and your quiz will be completely unique from all the others. What type of quiz do you want? Is it trivia, personality, multiple choice, true, false, or a general knowledge challenge? Also, think about your audience. A quiz for kids would be very different than one for a business. Depending on your choice, I would then go to ChatGPT, Gemini, or some other AI writing tool to have it help me write out my quiz questions. I'll be using ChatGPT to help me write questions and format the information for my general knowledge quiz. Now I'm in ChatGPT, and I'll let it help create the questions and responses for my quiz. So I've prompted it. I need 10 science facts for kids in a question format with 4 possible responses. One of them is the correct answer, and I want it in a simple table format. So let's see what it gives me. Okay, so there are the questions. Very good. So I'll take these and copy them all, and then I'll save, then in a note. So there are my questions for my quiz. Now, let's go on to the next step. Depending on which quiz template you chose, many have lots of animated effects already built in. But if you need more, you can always add different elements. Here's how to do it. Click on any text or image, then use Canva's animation tool to make it move. If you have more than one page, use page transitions to smoothly move from one section to the next. Also, feel free to adjust the timing for each element so viewers can read the question and answers easily. And if you're feeling really fancy, adding music and sounds to your quiz can make them even better. Just don't overdo it, because too many can be annoying. Watch me as I convert this template into something different. I'll start by opening my quiz template I chose earlier and making changes to it to make it unique for me. Next, I'll copy a question from ChatGPT and paste it in, adjusting the font or size if needed. Then I'll paste in the answer options too. Now, I'll duplicate the first 2 pages and add in a second question. Then I'll paste in the answer options too. All right, let's watch it. We've got 2 questions in here. If you wanted to add more questions, you could. Just go back in here and duplicate 2 of the matching pages, and then put in new questions and answers. Once you're done and you're ready to export it, go to File, go to Download, make sure MP4 is chosen, and the correct pages, and then click Download. Now it's downloading. Once you get the final MP4 download, the next thing you can do is upload it to YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, your website, wherever. Congratulations! You just made a fun, interactive, eye-catching quiz. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.